Hey guys, do you want to recharge your mobile number? If yes, so in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to recharge your mobile number using Facebook app. So let's get started. Open Facebook app and tap these lines. Find mobile recharge option, tap mobile recharge, tap on recharge now button. Enter mobile number that you want to recharge. And enter recharge amount. Before proceed, select mobile operator. Sometimes you need to select your mobile operator manually. So now I am going to enter recharge amount and tap on recharge button. Here you will get three options to recharge: card, net banking, UPI. You can choose any one option and tap on place order. That's it. You will get your recharge.